Hello everyone, welcome back to another banger video. Today, we're going to be talking about memory management in C++. We're going to demystify the concepts of the stack and the heap, their differences, and how we, as programmers, can use them effectively. So yeah, let's hop right into it. In a C++ program, memory is divided into two parts, the stack and the heap. The stack is used for static memory allocation, while the heap is used for dynamic memory allocation. Let's see an example of how we use the stack for static memory allocation. In this example, the variable number is stored on the stack. The compiler knows its size at compile time, which is why it's called static memory allocation. Now let's look at how we can use the heap for dynamic memory allocation. So in this example, we allocate memory for an integer on the heap using the new keyword. Um, the size of this memory can be decided at runtime, hence it's called dynamic memory allocation. We also need to deallocate this memory using the delete keyword when we're done with it to avoid any memory leaks. The stack is faster and easier to manage, but it has limited space. The heap, on the other hand, provides more flexibility and has a larger size, but it requires careful management to avoid memory leaks and fragmentation. It's important to know how to use both the stack and the heap efficiently. Mismanagement can lead to errors like stack overflow and memory leaks. So that's going to be it for this video. If you guys found it helpful or enjoyed, drop a like down below, drop a comment, and we'll catch you in the next one.